Ditch the plastic, embrace the suds. Why DIY dish soap rocks? Tired of tossing out plastic dish soap bottles? Me too. It's frustrating to see all that waste piling up. Making your own dish soap is like giving those greasy dishes a run for their money while giving a high five to Mother Earth. It's a win-win situation. Plus, it's way easier than you think. You don't need to be a chemist to whip up a batch. Think about it. You control the ingredients, so no more harsh chemicals hanging around your kitchen sink. You can choose natural, skin-friendly options. You'll be amazed by how a few simple ingredients transform into a powerful grease-fighting potion. It's like magic in a bottle. And the best part? Bragging rights. You get to show off your eco-friendly skills. Imagine telling your friends, "Oh, this dish soap, I whipped it up myself." They'll be so impressed. They'll be lining up for your secret recipe, eager to try it out themselves. So, are you ready to ditch the store-bought stuff and embrace the wonderful world of DIY dish soap? Let's do this. It's time to make a change. Gathering your cleaning crew ingredients and tools. Before we start mixing, let's round up our all-star cleaning crew. These are the essential items that will make our DIY dish soap both effective and delightful to use. Don't worry, this isn't a scavenger hunt. We just need a few simple ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. These common household items will come together to create something truly magical. Here's your shopping list. 1 cup of liquid Castile soap. Dr. Bronner's is a popular choice, known for its versatility and natural ingredients. 1/2 cup of warm water to help everything mix smoothly. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar for extra grease-fighting power. This will help cut through the toughest grime. And optionally, 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil, because everyone loves a good-smelling kitchen. Choose a scent that makes you happy. Now, for the tools. A measuring cup and spoons. Accuracy is key. Precise measurements ensure the best results. A mixing bowl, the bigger the better to avoid any spills. A whisk, for that satisfying mixing action, ensuring everything blends perfectly. A funnel, for easy pouring, making sure nothing goes to waste. And an empty dish soap bottle. Reuse, reduce, recycle. Let's be kind to our planet. Got everything? Awesome! Let's move on to the fun part, making the magic happen. Get ready to create your very own effective and eco-friendly dish soap. Mixing Magic, your step-by-step guide to homemade dish soap. All right, soap-making superstars, let's turn those simple ingredients into a dishwashing dynamo. Get ready to transform your kitchen routine with this easy and effective homemade dish soap. Step 1. Grab your mixing bowl and pour in 1 cup of liquid Castile soap. This is our sudsy superhero. It's gentle on your hands but tough on grime. Step 2. Add 1/2 cup of warm water. The warm water helps everything blend together nicely, ensuring a smooth and consistent mixture. Step 3. Now for that extra grease-fighting punch, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Don't worry, the vinegar scent disappears once it's mixed in, leaving your dishes sparkling clean. Step 4. Time to get whisking. Stir everything together until it's well combined and slightly thickened. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. Step 5. This step is optional but oh so worth it. Add 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Lavender for a calming aroma, lemon for a fresh, clean scent. The choice is yours. Customize it to your liking. Step 6. Carefully pour your concoction into your empty dish soap bottle using the funnel. And voila! You've just created your very own homemade dish soap. It's eco-friendly and cost-effective. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've earned it. Not only have you made a fantastic product, but you've also taken a step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Even the best soap-making gurus make mistakes sometimes. But hey, that's how we learn, right? Here are a few common hiccups and how to avoid them. If your dish soap is too watery, don't panic. Just add a bit more Castile soap to the mix, a tablespoon at a time until you reach your desired consistency. And if your soap is too thick, slowly add a bit more warm water, stirring continuously until it loosens up. Oh, and if you accidentally used way too much essential oil, no worries. Just dilute the mixture with a bit more Castile soap and water. Remember, practice makes perfect. You'll get the hang of it in no time. Let's rewind and review the highlights of our soap-making journey, shall we? 1. We gathered our ingredients: liquid Castile soap, warm water, white vinegar, and optional essential oils. 2. We grabbed our tools: measuring cups and spoons, a mixing bowl, a whisk, a funnel, and an empty dish soap bottle. 3. We mixed, we whisked, we poured, and voila! Homemade dish soap ready to tackle those dirty dishes. See? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Congratulations, my friend! You've just taken a giant step towards a greener, cleaner kitchen. And the best part is, you did it yourself. Now go forth and spread the DIY dish soap love. Your dishes and the planet will thank you.